This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up part works that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the part work so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on, and let me know how I'm getting on as well. I'd like feedback of all types. So thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build. Let's get on with it. Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 10 of Building Eleanor. We've got a nice panel. We've got the door. This is the left door mirror and holder. It's a two-seater car, so there's no back doors to worry about. I don't think I've built any cars with back doors. No. The XO1 will have back doors, obviously, when it comes along, because that's a huge beast of a car. But for now, it hasn't got any doors. So, yeah, I haven't actually built any of these cars with back doors as yet. Dodge Charger hasn't, Kit hasn't, the DeLorean hasn't. Strange. Right, so, taking these out of the packet, be careful that nothing gets stuck inside, because sometimes static cling gets things stuck, like they've all gone into different places. So make sure you've got everything you should have before you dispose of any packaging. So let's have a look and see what I should have, and then we'll see what I've actually got. So again, nothing stuck on the inside of that. I'm fairly confident, but not 100% confident. So we've got a couple of packs of screws. We've got a backing piece of something, tape, mirrored tape, obviously the mirror, and a handle and the door. That's quite nice. I like that. It's already got a little door catch built into it. So yes, I should have that. 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 And I should have that. I have indeed got what we need. We need 2 of each screw by the looks of it. So first of all, we are going to fit that into there. Just a push fit. Nice and easy. Let me get rid of that because we don't need that anymore, causing reflections and problems. Move that away because it's nice. I don't want to get it messed up. So then we are removing from here the mirrored sticker. That and that will just go onto there. Obviously round, doesn't matter which way around it goes, but you do want to make sure you get it central. And there's a bit of tape over the front of it to ease with the positioning. So I was happy that that was in the right place, and then it moved. About there, I think. Get that located down, and then we can remove the front, if I can remove the front. Doesn't seem to want to be very sticky. I think I've got a corner of it stuck underneath. Yeah, a little bit stuck under the bottom, which is never a good idea. You don't want stuff stuck under your bottom. Going to get fingerprints on the mirror, but can't do anything about that at the moment. I shall clean that off afterwards. Get rid of that. Come on, go away. Try that again now. That looks about right to me. Nice, that will do it. Get that cleaned up when it's mounted on there. But that I'm quite happy with. Next up, we are going to fix that to the door. Let me have a closer look at that just to see exactly what's what. Yep, that's going on there, and we're putting it on the back using what's marked as DS06. So which of these is DS06? There's 04. That's 08. So it might be 08. I might just be reading it wrong from the printing. Definitely looks like a 6 to me, but I have to use an 8. The other one is definitely PS04. So that's what they've given us. I'm sure it will work. I don't know what the difference is in them. And when I zoom it up on the screen, I might well find out that I was, in fact, reading it completely wrong. But there we go. That's that going on there. So this is going through that slot. Thusly, obviously you need to make sure it's facing the correct direction, and then the screw goes in from the side here. Into there. And that will hold that in place. Doesn't move, but that's all right. It doesn't need to move. Let me get one of these tiny PS04 screws out. One of those. I shall use a smaller screwdriver for that, because that is pretty small. I'm even going to go smaller than that. Luckily, I've got a good collection of these, or I'd have to open up my box of screwdriver bits for my own screwdriver, but that will do for now. And this is going to go over there, obviously the right way round with the handly bit at the back. In fact, it'll only go one way round because one screw is bigger than the other, or one hole is bigger than the other. The other one's just a pin. So the screw will go in there. It's come off there again. I'm not having a good time with this one. Luckily, this is the last of this month's part of the builds. So after I've got this together, I can have a nice sit down and rest, and take it easy for another month until another package arrives. And we do a bit more of the, well, we do some interior of the door and the window by the looks of it. So yeah, there we go. That needs a little bit more tightening. Hold the handle itself and tighten that in there fully. That's not moving around anymore, so I am happy with that. And that is another issue done, and indeed another month's build done. I've got that sticky stuff, it's going to get everywhere. I shall dispose of that. Right, so that is that. Also this month, obviously, we did the tyre as well. So not massive progress, but enough to keep us busy. I'm happy enough with that. We've got the mirror and the door and the tyre. I shall put that aside. That will go with the hood to be used later, although I'm pretty sure we're going to be working on that next time, putting the mirror into the window into it. So that is that. Thank you very much for watching. Stay safe. I shall see you for more of this or other things very, very soon. Bye bye now. Bye bye now. Bye bye. Thanks for watching. See you soon.